Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can tell, guys, there's a water is dripping a lot in here, so I'm gonna try to fix it. I always show you guys how to fix stuff, so this is one of those things, guys. So the water is dripping pretty much. So this has been going on for years, for several years now, guys. So I went online and purchased this, guys. I went online and purchased this from Amazon. This is from Kohler. Okay, that's from the actual company, Kohler. I purchased from Amazon, so let me take it from the pack. Guys, this is how it's come. It has no other special parts. That's it. So I'm about to take it out to put it back in to remove the old one, guys, because this has been going on for a while. So I couldn't save, because of $10 I couldn't save so much money on it, or on a water bill. But you know, that's what you got to do. That's why I'm coming out, guys, to show you how you can do this. That's why you got to subscribe to my channel. Save you a lot of money here. The brand name is Kohler. This is the top. I'm gonna remove the top and go inside. Shut the water off first. And go shut the water off. The water is back there. I'm gonna shut it off. I shut the water off. That's supposed to be. It's still dripping because the thing is not good. So I'm gonna take the top off, guys. And take the top off. I hope this thing works, man. Because this is the third one I purchased. There's something back there you gotta remove. Okay. The same way on this side you gotta remove. Okay, there's a clamp there. There's something there. You gotta attach the other one in. This is the one that I have here. Gotta take this thing off. That's as easy as it is. This is not good. Okay, it's not good. Let's see if the other one fits the same way as it. There's a problem there. This looks like this is too big. Guys, I've been doing this thing for a while now. It's been happening to me. This is too big. Let's see if this thing works, man. I just attach this thing in there, and then I put the cable. It doesn't fit. I think this is too big. I'm gonna attach the cable, this thing here, in here. Guys, this is what I have here. Okay, this is gonna be sitting right on top of it there. Now hopefully this thing works, because I don't think this is fit. So we're gonna see what happened here. I'm gonna open the water to see if this thing's dripping. The water is going in. If this thing doesn't drip, guys, I think we're good. Because I can't do this anymore. This is the third one I just purchased, guys. Guys, I still have water going on. I think that one is too big, so I'm about to ship it back. It's way too big. Guys, I bought this at Walmart, hoping this thing will work, but it doesn't fit. So, and I bought some more stuff from Amazon. They don't work. So that's a universal one. I gotta return this. Okay, so I bought this one. Okay, I just came from that company called Home Depot. I found the right one. Okay, guys, found the right one. This is the old one. This is a new one. So I'm about to go and place it in and see if I got some problem. This is a Kohler also, but it's a different model. Okay, this one was big, so I'm about to dry it up, ship it back to Amazon. It's a good thing when you buy on Amazon, man. You don't have to give an explanation. You just buy it. It costs the same thing at Home Depot also. Now this is the one I'm gonna put. Okay, so the minute we put it in together, see the water's still dripping. I gotta remove that too. That thing is no good. It's old. I gotta remove that. But this video is about the flapper. So see you the struggle I do to go to the flapper, guys. let me go ahead and put the flapper on and see if the water will stop. Guys, this is the flapper from Kohler. Okay, that's the actual part of it from this thing here. That's the actual part. So I gotta show you something else you guys can do. If you take the picture of this, okay, if you take the picture of that, you put it on Amazon, they'll show it to you. I think I did that earlier. Let me show you guys this. Now let me go ahead and put this thing in, guys. Guys, this thing comes with a little piece. You gotta slide this piece inside of it. That's an old piece, which I'm gonna toss. Okay, guys, there's this part right there. You see this thing here? Right on the back. Gotta slide it in there. Okay, folks, I think the water seems to stop. Okay, and it's gaining more water. So I'm just gonna let it flush and then flush it and see how it look like, guys. Okay, folks, I noticed the water did stop. The flapper does the job. You gotta get the right model. I'm gonna show you how to get the right model. Take the old one, take a picture of it. I'm gonna show it to you guys on Amazon. Okay, this is fine. Now I gotta readjust my cable. This is too loose. I gotta readjust that. Okay, let me go ahead and do that. Okay, folks, I readjusted a little bit. Okay, let me flush. Okay, guys, I'm flushing. Everything looks fine. Okay, so I'll drop it, and this thing go right in the middle, right on the right spot, guys. It's my water line is going too slow. Look at this, it's just dripping. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. This is gonna be another video, okay, guys. Did I open it or close? Yeah, that's open. This thing is so, the water's not coming with heavy flow, so it takes time for the water to come in. You see it's dripping, so I gotta fix that. So the water stopped going. You're gonna see this thing cross over. The water line gonna cross over. That's when there's less water going in. Finally this thing working. I think this is fine, guys. Guys, I have to do a correction. You see that spot there, guys, underneath of it? This is how it's supposed to be. Okay, that's supposed to be like this. You see how the things sit properly now? I have to make that correction, guys. This is how it's supposed to be. That little piece, I'm gonna show it on the old one. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. So now it fits properly. It's not crooked. Earlier it was crooked. So that's how it's supposed to be. This thing, the black part gotta be inside of it. I'm gonna show you the old one. Okay, guys, this is how this thing's supposed to be, right there. See, this thing goes underneath of it. Let me show you guys. Okay, see this thing? If you remove this thing's supposed to be inside of this thing here, inside of here. That thing right there, that's how it's supposed to be, like this one. Okay, folks, there's more information you should get. On the back of it, you can find those parts, the parts number, where to order it. While I was making the video for you guys, I realized this one, so we can get the parts from there. Okay, the part for the flapper, the part is 84995. It's right there, it says flapper. I want to go to that mess, but this is why you guys have to watch my channel. You can learn from my mistake. Now we know this thing is right there. I want to get this thing fixed a long time ago.